Moxsi Alesi Suriname rice. Ingredients: 400 grams of rice, washed. 200 milliliters coconut cream, or milk. 4 bouillon cubes. A half teaspoon black pepper. A half tomato, sliced. 1 onion, sliced. 3 pieces of garlic, chopped. 2 tablespoons oil. 2 tablespoons dried shrimps, soaked. 150 grams of black-eyed peas, soaked. 100 grams of ham, cubed. 1 tablespoon celery, or parsley. Water. Directions: heat the oil. Fry the onions first, then add the garlic. Add the tomato, black pepper, bouillon cubes, soaked shrimps, ham, black-eyed peas, and celery. Stir until the tomato is almost dissolved. Then add the rice and coconut cream. Add water that measures 1.25 inches on top of the rice mixture. See more info under tips, and stir thoroughly. Lower the heat when the water starts to cook. Stir again. Put a lid on the pot and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir again after a while and half an hour after the rice starts to cook. The Moxsi Alesi is done.